adding and using shape blocks in your Squarespace website design. To add a shape block, click on the Add Block button and select Shape Block. You can edit the block design by changing its shapes. You'll see a huge library of shapes you can choose from. You can stretch the design through the entire blue selection border or keep it in the shape you selected. You can change the block to any color of your color palette or any other custom. You have different blend mode options that can be useful when overlaying the images, and as well you can add strokes to the shape. Stroke will add a border to your shape, and you can select the color of the stroke as well as the thickness. You can also add drop shadow to your blocks to make your shape stand out from the background. We're going to explore easy ways to style your images with shape blocks and create some fun designs. First, let's add our image and our shape block. You can easily overlay image and a shape block to create a dynamic composition. For the second design, I'm just gonna copy or duplicate the shape block and change the settings to create a border over our image. Make the color of the block transparent and select the color of the stroke. For the third design, we are gonna decorate the image with a shape block in a way that you can display some text over it, maybe highlight your bestseller or a sale that you're running. We need to make sure the text is centered to the block. And for our final design, we're going to make image stand out from the background using a drop shadow on your block and overlaying the image on top of it.